Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. Social distancing
I know,
because of the
right?
coronavirus.
I don't think you'll get sick,
This is, we had a couple people ask us why we don't do videos other than just like before and after. So today we're doing a couple of kind of personal interest videos. So up number one is...
But still with your patients, right?
With our patients, yeah. And so some of you guys may have seen my videos of, I think one of them is entitled, Don't Do This After a Hair Transplant, and update on getting hit by an airplane. So I went on vacation at the end of February and wound up in St. Bart's with my family and hooked up with Ed, who is the patient of ours who had a couple of hair transplants unsuccessfully, I don't know, 15 or 20 years ago. And then maybe in 2009 or 10, we did a case on him. He's got a limited amount of donor hair and a lot of real estate to cover. And 4 months afterwards, he got hit by a landing airplane in St. Bart's. And if you've ever been to St. Bart's, Wendy, there's two approaches to this airfield. One, it's right on the beach. The easy way is to come in right over the water and you just land. But the wind usually doesn't blow that way, so they have to come in across this little mountain. It's not a mountain, but they call it a mountain. This big hill, and then the plane has to turn off its engines essentially and coast right down into this little short runway. And there's a road up there, and that's where Ed was standing. And so watch this video. This is Ed and me at the spot where he got hit by the plane. And that was about 10 years ago, and we fixed him up a couple of times. But it's windy, and you may not be able to hear everything, but it's pretty interesting. I think there's two videos, because we watched two planes come in. And in the second video, you'll see a dude that...
Almost got hit again.
Exactly, yeah. So watch this.
Alright, here we are. It's the old little Islander plane. That's the kind of plane that, one of those that goes very fast. This one's going to come in real low. I'm going to scoot to the side just a little bit. Where do you recommend that? Duck under the car. Where you got it in? Oh my goodness sake! Trust me. Well, that thing is just, wow, 15 feet lower. That's a Win Air.
That's the one that hit you?
Well, that's the exact kind of plane. I don't think that's the one. Yeah, that's the Win Air plane.
I'm going to get down behind this car.
Imagine that plane coming that fast hitting you in the head.
Oh my gosh.
It's exactly the same thing.
So what do you think, Whitney? I mean, that dude's lucky to be alive.
I know. Did you stand up there?
I
Were
stood
you
squat
tempted
down
to stand
behind the
up
car
there?
because I didn't want to get clocked by that airplane either.
You know what happens.
Yeah. So our patient lived. We did a couple more cases on him. If you're anywhere near St. Bart's and you're
Don't
near that
stand up
airport,
there.
squat down a little bit and I don't know what else to say.
It's like, I mean, it looks like it's really gonna hit him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the conclusion of, I think, all of our cases with the fellow that got hit by an airplane. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.